Mesmerized, big-time bonging from the outside, stone face, risk taker than on the inside. Manalang also rushing up is Prince Dugo. Senor Elijah is also rushing up. It's now stone face, followed by big-time bonging. Manalang, and on the outside is Senor Elijah. Senor Elijah from the outside, stone face, big-time bonging. Manalang in the middle. As they raise the last 500, Senor Elijah by a length and a half, followed by Manalang, big-time bonging, stone face, risk taker. As they raise the last 250, Senor Elijah and Manalang is on the outside, moving up. Manalang is now the leader. Senor Elijah, yes sir, I'm yours, risk taker, stone face. And finally, entry number 8, Manalang. Senor Elijah. Number 9, Carmelita, risk taker, stone face, Prince Dugo, and Marcus Empire.
Okay, crossing the wire first. And